This is another rare vacuum in my collection. It's an early 1990s Regina Housekeeper Plus. I was very lucky to find this vacuum because it's in almost mint condition, which is very unusual for Reginas. Not only that, but it also has all the tools. All I had to do was replace the belt, and I also made a new HEPA bag for it. It's a 2-speed motor, and the motor works fine. It's very clean. It's a very cheap vacuum, obviously, as most collectors know. And it doesn't really work that well. Suction isn't spectacular, but you know, still a very important part of history, as Regina was one of the first vacuum cleaners to feature onboard tools on a vacuum cleaner. So I will run it on both speeds. You can hear it. So suction on it isn't spectacular, but it's still not that bad. So I'm very proud to have this immaculate example of a Regina Housekeeper Plus.